Nestled in one of the most adorable harbors in Maine is one of Maine's most unique restaurants. Lunch on the Wharf is as close as you can get to eating seafood with the fishermen. It is as close as you can get to the ocean without eating on a buoy, and it is close as you can get eating on a lobster wharf, well, because the restaurant is on a lobster wharf, thus the name, Lunch on the Wharf. On this fine day, my wife and I were buying some flooring in Korea and had read about Lunch on the Wharf, so I said to her in a promising voice, "Let's eat on the wharf." She was all in. Now let me say straight up, Lunch on the Wharf does not fit into the four normal food categories of restaurants. Fast food, casual, fine dining, casual fine dining restaurants. Nope, not this one. This restaurant blends outdoor adventure, fast food, high quality dining, and dining with the natives all in one sensory overload. Seriously, it is a difficult experience because you want to focus on how amazing your meal is, but all the while being constantly distracted by, oh, look, a bald eagle, or what is that lobsterman doing, or I didn't know lobster boats were that big, or look, they have a lobster trap washer, or they have a pink lobster boat, or what is a lobster co-op, or it must be cold here in the winter. Haha, nope, it's not opened in the winter. With all these thoughts, you will reach down for another bite of the best seafood you've ever eaten, and it'll all be gone, just like that. Now you may be wondering, where is Corea Harbor? It is 55 miles southeast of Bangor or 29 miles southeast of Ellsworth. The road gets narrow, so you may want to rethink bringing your 40-foot Class A motorhome here. Now, our son, who lives in Atlanta, brought a group of friends and folks from away. They were here for a full week and ate seafood from Portland to Ellsworth and beyond. They said the best seafood they had was right here at Lunch on the Wharf. Good to know. The service was great when we ate here, and the staff took time to chat even though they were busy. There were folks eating here from all over the country, and it was kind of like eating in New York, listening to all those accents. Here's my final impression. If you're ever coming to Maine and want to wow yourself or some of your friends, there are 3 restaurants that I always like to recommend. Robinson's Wharf down there in Boothbay Harbor area, Dysart's up in Bangor and Herman, and here at Lunch on the Wharf. One caveat is that I would like to add, go to Lunch on the Wharf on the warm day. Now, if you have never been here, you will find the parking lot to be a bit like parking at a remote mountain hiking trail. It's dirt, it can be dusty, and it's certainly far from level, but absolutely worth the experience. And there is just a small walk to the wharf that is beyond picturesque. Well, it should be. This is Maine's coast, isn't it? And there's nothing like it. Okay, one final question. Do you want to see more videos like this? Well then, please hit the subscribe and the like buttons, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.